Hello guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, March 22, 2023. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday, and we are now going to make this a 48-hour graphical satellite analysis for this week until the middle of April, since we don't have any significant weather system, so it will remain that way. So there's no major weather system right now expected to affect the Philippine Islands within the next 48 hours. All clear on both sides of the archipelago. We have here a surface trough, a weak one, over to the south of Guam, and shear line here, decaying shear line to the south of Japan, and another frontal system developing over the Ryukyus. And since today, March 20, is the beginning of the spring season. So today is spring equinox, meaning the number of daytime and number of nighttime are both equal. Okay, so it's 12 hours daytime, 12 hours nighttime. Actually, if we check the sunrise sunset here in the Philippine Islands, it's identical. And here in Naga City, the sunrise is at 5:51, sunset is 5:58. We have difference of 7 minutes, but it's okay. It's still equinox. And also we have to announce that the end of the northeast monsoon, or Amihan, is coming to an end. Maybe this week or next week, Pag-asa will be announcing the termination of this winter monsoon, or this wind system. And we are now giving towards the hot, dry season. So expect more hot and sunny days compared to rainfall. Although there are still some weeks of some rain showers and thunderstorms because of the last effects of the La Nina. And during this time of March, April, and May, we are now into neutral or normal climate conditions across the Philippine Islands. So conserve energy, conserve electricity, because if we have too much consumption, there will be some rotational brownouts. It depends on the Department of Energy or the electric companies to observe or monitor this situation. Okay, so that's it. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. It's generally all clear across the Philippine Islands. Even the zoom in satellite animation doesn't show any rain conditions, except for the areas of Zamboanga, Sibugay, and Zamboanga City. There are some isolated, very small, short duration thunderstorms that is currently occurring right now at around 11 p.m. So this is the only area that are being observed with this kind of thunderstorm activity. If we take a look now at our wind and ratio forecast for the next 3 to 4 days, by tomorrow afternoon, we expect variable winds across Luzon, with some very light winds from the east over the Visayas and northern Mindanao, while over the eastern sections of Mindanao, we have very light winds from the northeast. Okay, while over Batanes, we have very light winds from the south. This is due to a developing frontal system to the north, or in the vicinity of the southern islands of Japan. So Wednesday afternoon, the winds will start to slowly pick up across Eastern Visayas and Eastern Mindanao, blowing from the east, also across the Bicol region, but still no rainfall expected. And on Thursday, same situation, light easterly or light warm easterly winds will be expected across the Visayas, Eastern Mindanao, and the Bicol region, with southerly winds over the coastal waters of Cagayan Valley, including the eastern portions of Batanes Group. And on Friday, we expect the easterlies to slightly strengthen, around 20 to 40 kph, affecting the Bicol region and the Visayas. So there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms on Friday. Okay, now let's move forward until March 29 to see if there's still another surge of the northeast monsoon. It looks like there will be a very short northeasterly wind flow over Taiwan Strait, but nothing more. It's not expected to move across the Batanes Group. It's only concentrated along the Taiwan Strait, Taiwan area. Let's take a look on the 28th. Yeah, there's nothing. It's all quiet already. The winds will be mainly from the east, easterlies, okay, warm easterlies, beginning in the next couple of days until March 29th. So here's the high pressure area in the vicinity of southern Japan. How about the rain forecast? Here's the rain forecast from the European model from weather.com. Tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we don't have any thunderstorm activity. Only some light showers over Mindanao, portions of Mindanao exactly, and the mountainous areas of Cordillera Administrative Region. Wednesday afternoon, there will be some isolated rain showers over Mindanao and some patches of showers as well in very small areas of Luzon. Thursday afternoon, there you go. Thunderstorm activity is increasing across Mindanao because of an approaching surface trough. The surface trough that we showed to you on the graph shot, which is still over south of Guam. That cloud mass will reach Mindanao and Eastern Visayas on Thursday afternoon. And on Friday afternoon, it will still affect Mindanao and portions of the Visayas, with a little bit of rainfall over the Bicol region. That will be on Friday. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, and we will return in the next couple of days from Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. This is Mike Padua saying good night. Have a happy week ahead. Stay safe always. Drink lots of water because it's beginning to get warmer and warmer. And thank you so much for watching our channel.